In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, you need to launch Devices Settings and scroll to click on Sound and Vibration. Now scroll again, and this time tap on this switcher next to Vibrate focus. This way, you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. If you wish, you can also click on this one next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Last but not least, click on this switcher next to Haptic Feedback to switch on or off haptic response to gestures and system controls. If you decide to enable this one, adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!